How to unrestrict someone on Messenger. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Messenger. Log into your account. You'll find this kind of screen pop up. Click on three lines on top left corner of your screen. Then click on Settings icon. In here, scroll down till you find Privacy and Safety. And who can reach you, you'll find restricted accounts. Click on restricted accounts, click on the chat you want to unrestrict, then click on continue, again click on unrestrict, and the person you're trying to unrestrict will be unrestricted on Messenger. This is how to unrestrict someone on Messenger. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic, comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.